In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive and unarchive contacts in Mailchimp. Archiving contacts is a great way to clean up your audience without permanently deleting anyone. It helps you stay organized and can also help manage your billable contacts. And if you ever need those contacts again, you can easily bring them back by unarchiving them. Let's walk through the whole process step by step. First, log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. There, you'll see a menu. Click on the option labeled Audience. This is where Mailchimp keeps all of your contacts. After you click it, you'll be taken to your audience page where you can see your full contact list. From this list, choose the contacts you want to archive. You can do this by ticking the checkboxes next to each contact's name. Take a moment to make sure you're selecting the right people. For example, those who are inactive or no longer relevant to your campaigns. You're not deleting them, just moving them out of your active audience. Once you've selected your contacts, look at the top of the list. You should now see an option that says Archive. Click on that. A pop-up window will appear, summarizing how many contacts you're about to archive and outlining the benefits of archiving, such as keeping your audience tidy and potentially reducing your billable contacts. In this pop-up, you'll be asked to confirm your action by typing the word archive into a field. This is just a safeguard to make sure you don't archive contacts by accident. Type archive in all caps, then click the archive button at the bottom right of the pop-up. Wait for the page to refresh. At the bottom of your screen, you should see a small notification saying contacts queued to be archived, which means Mailchimp is processing your request. Now, let's look at how to unarchive contacts if you ever need them back. Still on the contacts screen, go to the top right corner. You'll see a More Options icon, usually represented by 3 dots or a similar symbol. Click that, and from the drop-down menu, select Archived Contacts. After the page loads, you'll see a list of all the contacts you previously archived. Select the ones you want to bring back into your active audience by checking the boxes next to their names. Once you've made your selection, an Unarchive button will appear at the top of the list. Click on it. A confirmation pop-up will appear, letting you know how many contacts you're about to unarchive and warning you that unarchiving them may increase your billable contact count, which could lead to a higher bill. This is important to keep in mind, especially if you're close to your plan's limit. To confirm, you'll be asked to type unarchive into the field provided. Type unarchive in all caps, then click the unarchive button at the bottom right. Wait for the page to load. You should see another small notification at the bottom of your screen saying contacts queued to be unarchived. That message confirms that Mailchimp is restoring those contacts to your active audience. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to archive contacts to keep your audience clean and how to unarchive them whenever you need them again.